What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join that shmoney team because we lit. We ain't playing with nobody and we getting that shmoney together, baby. Okay. What's up, queens and kings? I always feel like it's been such a long time since the last time I recorded a video, but it really haven't. I'm just like extra or whatever. And I love y'all. Like, thank you for all of the love that you guys are always showing me. Thank you also for all of the kind words and compliments and stuff as far as my income increasing and me getting a new job and me just being on top of things. We can be our own worst critics at times, and sometimes I feel like I could be doing a lot more, but you guys do an amazing job of letting me know that, hey girl, you doing a dang on thing. You know what I'm saying? Also, shout out to Budgeting Doll. She's back on YouTube recording videos. She had took a small break, so I just want to give a big shout out to Budgeting Dolls. She's super sweet, guys. She shouted me out her last video, and I just wanted to give her a shout out. She actually reminded me that I'm supposed to be doing the affirmator cards, guys. I guess when I started getting the shmoney, you know what I'm saying, when this shmoney started growing, I just completely forgot about the affirmators. But let's jump right on into it. This video is going to be a short video. We are stuffing $265, I believe, but let's go ahead and do an affirmators before we go and count the money. But I hope you guys this summer is going well. You know what I'm saying? These kids is going back to school, period, point blank. Okay, all of my kids is getting up out of here. Okay, I ain't got time for it. Y'all going to bed, y'all want to go to sleep. Can we say melatonin? Okay, you gonna get your melatonin. All right, but now my kids, they be going to bed. Sometimes they be having problems going to bed. But if you take the cell phones, they'll pretty much go to bed without no problem. Something is telling me to just split the deck. And we're going to go with this card here. And it reads, peacefulness. I have a peaceful, tranquil, and untroubled heart. This is where I choose to spend my time. I can bring guests, but any person, thought, or event that brings drama or chaos is not invited. My heart is a special property, and I'm going to keep it that way so that we can all keep enjoying it and I can get my security deposits back. Period. Okay? If it's not peace, it's not right. Okay? Let's count this money. We ain't got that much. It's a little something. We ain't got that much this time. It's 150, 200, 250, 260, 265. Get started. So we're going to go into the children's binder first because, like I said, school, there was $660 in this envelope, but I done already started shopping. I literally spent all of that, maybe except for $10. We are going to do $150 in school and miscellaneous. I was going to do $200 in school and miscellaneous, but I've noticed that I have been spending a lot more money in gas. I noticed that I've been depleting my buffer. Y'all, please excuse my nail. It popped off. I don't know where it went. I just had to hurry up and put one on there. But I got some real cute nails coming for y'all next week, okay? So this week, I really didn't touch up the nails. This is just what I already had on because I have to braid my daughter's hair this weekend. I have to braid my friend's daughter's hair, and I have to braid my sister's daughter's hair for school. So these are coming off in a couple of days anyway. So I said it's no need in, you know, doing some real dramatic cute ones, but wait till y'all see these ones. Y'all gonna love them. Okay, so let me stop rambling because, you know, I have a tendency to ramble. So we're gonna do 100. That's a $100 bill and a $50 bill. So we're going to do 150 in school and miscellaneous. And then I'm also going to be adding some more to this later this week on Wednesday when I get paid. Slide this aside. Miscellaneous. I'm not stuffing all of these until Wednesday, but I do want to put Come on now. Come on now. Miscellaneous. I'm going to put $15 in miscellaneous. Who knows what this is going to go towards, but we'll figure it out if it's needed, y'all. I've been really trying to crack down on buying stuff that I don't need. I've been kind of like going a little bit crazy with this, you know, small purchases. So this last $100 is going to go in gasolina, because I'm sick and tired of running out of gas. I've been doing $50 a week, and it just ain't been cutting it, baby. Because, you know, I drive a little bit for my job, so sometimes I burn a little bit more gas than expected. So we're going to put that $100 in there, and that is it, guys. But I have a beautiful YouTuber. Oh, she budgets. Shadavia, what's up, girl? Okay, so I actually got her savings challenge for low income budgets. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you would know I hit my 500th subscriber. I hit my 500th follower on Instagram, and I was going to do a giveaway. And when I initially saw this savings challenge book, I said, hey, this would be really cute to go maybe for a giveaway, for, you know, an Instagram giveaway or whatever. So y'all, when I got the book and I opened it up, I said, hold up, wait a minute. This is for me, baby. So I will be ordering another one on Friday for the Instagram giveaway. And also, I would like for you guys to comment below and let me know if you guys think that this would be a great idea for the giveaway. If you think you would want something like this. I know people that have a lower income budget tend to have a hard time finding savings challenges that fit their income. And even myself, you know, I created a few savings challenges myself, but it would be nice to have a nice book like this. And I'm going to flip through. I may not have time to flip through all of them, but I wanted to do a flip through of the book and just show you the time and dedication that Shadavia, Oshi Budgets put into this book. First of all, we got purple. Okay, y'all know that's my favorite color. So let's just flip it open, and it says savings challenges for low income budgets. This journal belongs to, okay. And then she states, congratulations, you've made another step towards financial freedom. Whether you are just beginning or simply looking for a fun way to save money, this Savings Challenge book is perfect for you. The purpose of this Savings Challenge book is to show you no matter what your income is, that you too can save. After completing each challenge, you can use those funds to save, pay off debt, invest, or treat yourself. Want to know the best part? All of the challenges in this book are self-paced and tailored to help you reach some of your money goals. You can contribute as little or as much as you like, whichever works best. Remember, this is your journey. Even slow progress is still progress. Shout out, okay, for encouraging us, girl. Got me feeling like I could do this, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so this page, you would write, you know, my why, and all of us know what our why is. And if you're new to budgeting and you don't know what your why is the reason why you want to start budgeting or why you started budgeting. So my why is basically for my, you know, my children, just wanting to financially be better for my children, and also to show my children how to balance their finances, something that I wasn't showed and told as a kid. So I'll write this in, and it's probably going to be a little bit longer than that, but you know. She also has in here how you complete each challenge. Okay. So the 5, 10, and 20 savings challenges, they are self-explanatory. You color each circle and save the designated amount. This challenge comes in 3 different amounts, which allows you to save in 5, 10s, or 20s. You know, so if you're doing that $5, like the $5 savings challenges, you saving your $5. This would be a perfect tracker for the $5 one. You know, and it's self-paced, so you don't have to do everything on your own. She also has the $1,000 emergency fund. I hope you guys can see this, because knowing me, hold up, let knowing me, this all in the way. The $1,000 emergency fund. Let's face it, life happens and it's best to put money aside for those oh snap moments. This should be the first challenge you complete if you do not have an emergency fund already. This is the first one I'm going to be completing. Each square is worth $50 and a step closer to the finish line. In the end, you'll have $1,000 to put up for those unexpected expenses or inevitable rainy days. May I just say, like, you really did a good job, Oshi Budgets, Shadavia, putting this together. So these are just some more explanations to how you do the challenges. And then, so here's like some of the challenges, like here's the self-care challenge, and then on the left side it says like how much did I save per each month, you know what I'm saying? And then it has a cute like face, and you know, every time you fill in, you got one for 30, 20, 50, 25, 25, 50, which is really cool. Here is the $5 savings challenge. Here is the $10 savings challenge. Here's the $20 savings challenge. We have the $1,000 emergency fund. And if 50 seems a little bit intimidating for you, draw a diagonal line through it and do 25, 25, 25, 25. Just like she said in the beginning, you can modify this to fit your income, which I really appreciate. She has a 100 envelope a tracker in here, which is really cool because I actually brought a whole bunch of containers so that I can put some 100 envelope challenges up on my Etsy shop. So if you guys do decide to do this challenge, you can check out my Etsy shop. I will have 100 envelope challenges. I'm slowly creating the 100 envelopes because y'all know it takes forever to do that. She has another one called Secure the Bag. Each one of these are $100. This is a total of saving $3,500. This is for the love of it. This would be really cute for like a Valentine's Day. Maybe you and your shabooboo, you know what I'm saying? The love of it. Okay, this is another for the love of it. So this one is $25 and the total is $625. We also have a vacation savings for a road trip. This one is for $600, and I really think it's cute how on the left you have like your monthly progress. And don't worry, say like it's August now. Go ahead and start here August, September, October, November, December, and roll it over to January. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, this is really a nice challenge. So this is a total savings. This is a financially free. The total savings is $100. So this one is super achievable. You have a $1 savings challenge. This is the total is $60. You have a butterfly savings challenge. This one is also $100. Each one of these are $10. Like, these are literally so achievable. Oh, look at this one, count it up. This is so cute. I hadn't even looked through all of these. I wanted to look through all of them, and then in the back you have a part where you can do some different, you can put some notes, you can jot down some notes, or if there is anything that you want to write. But on the back she has her name. If you guys are not following her, check out her channel, Oshi Budgets. Shadavia is so dedicated to her budget, and I just really think she did an awesome job on this savings challenge book. So if you guys think she did an awesome job on the savings challenge book, also leave a purple heart emoji in the comments. And until next time, love, peace, and hair grease, y'all. We need to save this money. We need to get this money together, baby.